Hey little buddy, today I will draw Bluey chased by a dinosaur, giant steps shaking the ground, tail swinging all around. While the picture takes shape on the page, let me tell you a story full of chase, thrill, and playful stage. But first, press like on this video and subscribe my channel, so every new adventure can roar with joy again. Bluey was exploring a wide meadow, flowers swaying and butterflies drifting above. She sniffed the air happily, paws brushing through the tall grass. Suddenly, the ground trembled beneath her feet. Thump, thump, thump. Bluey turned her head. Behind her stood a dinosaur, huge, green, and strong, its teeth showing in a wide grin, its eyes glowing with wild energy. Oh no! Bluey yelped, tail shooting straight up. The dinosaur gave a loud snort and started to charge. Quick! Can you run in place like Bluey? She asked with a laugh. Bluey bolted across the meadow, weaving between tall flowers and hopping over rocks. The dinosaur thundered after her, its footsteps making the ground shake again and again. She dashed through bushes, slid under a low branch, and jumped across a log, her heart racing faster with each move. Too slow. Bluey giggled back at the dino, even as she kept running. The dinosaur roared, not scary, but almost playful, as if it wanted her to keep going. It leapt after her, its tail swishing side to side like a giant broom. Bluey zigzagged, then spun around suddenly. The dinosaur stopped in confusion, almost stumbling over its own big feet. Bluey laughed. You're not trying to eat me, are you? You just want to play chase. The dinosaur blinked, tilted its massive head, then gave a happy snort. Instead of lunging, it stomped in a circle, almost like a dance. Bluey slowed, catching her breath, then stepped closer. She reached out a paw and gently tapped the dino's scaly leg. Tag! You're it! The dinosaur let out another silly snort and began chasing her again, but this time both were laughing. Soon they flopped down together in the meadow, flowers swaying around them. Bluey leaned against the dinosaur's warm side, smiling. Even the biggest and scariest things can be friends, she whispered softly. Close your eyes, let dreams flow free, even giants can play with glee. Hearts can race yet laughter stay, joyful friends at the end of the day.